We went to Bangkok, Thailand for the first time ever last July for my birthday, and I've gotta say, we've been dreaming of going back ever since.
We made it to Thailand.
We got to Thailand pretty late, but immediately took a 30-minute party bus to our hotel.
Hey.
We woke up early the next morning to get started on exploring the city in a tuk-tuk. Our main goal in Thailand, just like all of our travels, was to see the beauty and eat as much food as possible. The drive around the city was amazing with the many temples sprinkled throughout.
Pit stop muna sa 7-Eleven.
Each of us had a different food we were always on the lookout for. Jiro loves pretty much all fruit, which is perfect in Thailand because they have so much fresh, delicious fruit available on just about every corner.
Kumakain ng lychee habang dito kami sa tuk-tuk. Sarap ng buhay ah.
These chestnuts were all over the place too, so of course we stopped to try some. They were okay, but not my favorite as you can see on my face. Back in the tuk-tuk, we passed Chinese temples and Thai temples on the way to our canal tour. We took a traditional longtail boat to explore the rivers and canals on a 2-hour tour. We saw some local wildlife and lots of temples along the way. While in Thailand, Jess had one major request. She wanted to try the giant river prawns. Our tuk-tuk driver knew just the place, so we stopped for lunch at this seafood paradise. Since I'm unfortunately allergic, I ordered a delicious green curry. But Jax and Jess had the best prawns they've ever had, and I seriously enjoyed watching them savor every single bite. To work off the calories, we climbed to the top of the Golden Buddha Temple, which was a cheap and relaxing visit that I would definitely recommend. The boys were getting tired, but we had more food that needed to be eaten. The famous Chinatown food market starts at around 5 p.m., so we took the train to Chinatown just as it started to rain. We stood under a tiny bit of shelter and waited out the rain, which was absolutely worth it because the food options were incredible.
Chinese donuts.
Very good. Done?
Jess, of course, went straight to the grilled seafood stand and ordered a squid salad. Jiro is our adventurous eater and actually loved chewing on the squid tentacles. We each took turns pointing out food we wanted to try, from savory to sweet, grilled, fried, or fresh, and it was all delicious.
Really good. Oh, this one? Oh, that is jelly. What is that? Itong dalawa talaga ang nagpo-food trip ah. Tanghulo. Oh, that smells good. Oh, wow.
What's that, all chicken?
Pork. It's tender. Flavorful.
Not bad.
It's really good.
The next morning, we took a nice long walk from our hotel to visit a restaurant we were so excited to try. Mark Wien's famous Ped Mark Bad Krapao. Spicy Wagyu beef with duck eggs and rice. It was absolutely my favorite food I had in Thailand, and that's saying a lot because everything was so delicious. I'm a huge fan of rice bowls, and this honestly was perfect. I loved it, the boys loved it, and Jess loved it. 100 out of 10. Some say it's a tourist trap, but I don't even care. It was amazing.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
To finish off our trip, we ended up at the beautiful Shangri-La Bangkok to meet up with our friend and dentist in the Philippines, Dr. Susan Kasipit. It was a fine dining buffet style experience as we floated down the river. Doktora. She was so kind to treat us to an amazing 2-hour dinner cruise. It was the perfect way to finish off our trip, and we are so grateful to Dr. Susan for being generous and letting us experience this with her. Bangkok was an absolute dream from start to finish. We loved the people, the sights, and most especially the food. We can't wait to go back and explore other parts of Thailand, and we hope you'll come along for the ride. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!